Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a hugging video step by step, completely for free. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Step 1. Prepare the image. What if Harry Potter and Draco Malfoy hugged each other? Or Harley Quinn and Joker? First, we need an image of them together in the same frame. Here, I'm using HitPaw FotorPea to generate the image. You can find the official download link in the description below. Once you launch HitPaw FotorPea, go to Toolbox and click on AI Canvas and import the images of Harry Potter and Draco Malfoy. Select both images, open the chat box, and enter a prompt like, "Create an image of the two characters standing face to face." Press enter, and the image will be generated. Every new user gets 5 free generations, so feel free to try it out using the official link below. Now we have our same frame image. Step 2. Generate the hugging video. Next, let's move on to Dream AI. You'll receive 120 free credits every day, which is more than enough. Select AI video, upload the image we just created, and enter a prompt like, "The two characters hug each other." You can also add camera movement, such as, "The camera slowly dollies in." Make sure to select Dance 1.0 Mini, which only costs 25 credits to generate a 5-second video. Submit the task, and in just a moment, your video will be ready. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, we'd really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more AI content and viral AI tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.